Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
What am I not saying? Change your ways and the way you do things so that you can see people who will render you help in future. Change your ways. Emi bugbe. Agi mami reserve so. Mami ebe tabete na kwe. Ai wate ya phone na agi mi tabete na kwe. Ma bugbe na presenter wala ho. Adebe guna o. Ime mi a. Ade always be guna anytime ya like petuge. Wala ho wagi mami reserve so ni mami mi taba kwe. Because ma te ya fo be dokpa agi mi o be ka kwe ta. Ni mami reserve so na. Off work bill. Well, oh, that for me, you were beautiful, wifey. What's the oh, the neck see, where's the cacabo, where's the where imagine winner. Imagine when that for my name mose. Imagine when my jolly husband, my suburban husband, maybe a year now. He cool. Hey, guy. He give me. Off work, be. Now, off work, be. Now, so we see my darling people. Emi yabagbona ehwe kale. Wallaho. Wallaho wo. Ehwe kale. Obungbe. Ni masi obowesu. Jaga nyanga all over the place. Obungbe. Wa kara. When mugwagiri yo go nagiru way. What wetin dey happen? E no get sit down very well, all my brother. As a brother, as a friend. Mema go where no go friend. I see you as a brother. When kete we say lani we majo. When I get me kati o ma make do agwo live video. Lani we majo. Na decide to come and say it to you here. So no laho. I no come here come insult you and I will never be. But laho. Calm down. Je kenu kedere. Kose kenu kede. Ode ware. Udere na. No gi nothing me. Udere. You know every. Laho. My brother, calm down. Amiso. Ezek bebuhu. Oma de soto. Almost day. 1 day. Almost day. Mo yak bitan. Somebody you met on your way up. You can still mend that same person on your way down. It's an advice. The person you met on your way up, definitely you can still mend that same person on your way down. Entertainment vlog off work, you understand? You can still mend that same person on your way down. Never say never to anything. Because the same person, you can still mend that same person. Ona ye degbe abak ebiwu begene edowe saloba nege bak ebiwu o ti degbe edode kun wani ni mai gajo hakienyenye ni mai iri aye yawa roda we agmona odimigbe. I don't eat everything. I miss Lady Osongo. I miss Sanwala. I miss that today, not be small thing. I miss that's not for you entertainment vlog. Eh? Hey. Hey, good girl. You understand? Yes, she's left already. You understand? No laho, enogi, calm down. Calm down. As you make peace with it, everyone is happy for you. I am so proud with you. Make a peace between God and man. And the congratulations in happy for you, my darling. Ye share video ni. No waya we PC. Or yes, bag. Or say I need share way. I happy for you now. Well, I. But can we ye kid of it? What deva you say? Don't no. Go down where be mok by hell jagiri. It's an advice to you, Enogi. I be a mok by hell jagiri. Any kataba. Emmanuel me, why you see? Why you letting me? Why de kusi de? Ibude no. And the moment one or ekeni guari. When mini yaga dere when mana de kuiana, where shall we at stand there? That is the reason. People were behind the scene. They were giving you that encouragement. They are giving you that advice that you need at that particular time. Even the only one can see nothing. People were behind the scene. No what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Ni mena atem anywhere you dead on a white and free where we kuni atana. Well, okay, you've got me pensi for 42 days. Why you understand? People were behind the scene of Osawe Megazo Wigi. People were encouraging me, giving me advice like come have a Katina. A dog back bomatieme, and the lady okpa, a dog back bomatieme, or dafime, a dog back bomatieme. What are you saying? People all over the world was calling. There was behind the scene of Osawe Megazowegi, giving me advice, telling me, even here I'm Osawe Megazowegi. I feel your pains, but everything will be fine. I'm not listening or Timmy, but I'm not heard any sign. That is the issue here. Nimalaho. Ingi magafo fa ni ma yo bode ya yisi malaho unyi mi maso ma be gbagbe so unyi mi maso ma gba ofu egbe Idris unyi mi maso ma be gbagbe so na age mata magbe e ma no ware behind the scene ni wo e ma no ga ri bude ni nu wo e ma no ga encourage we wo where are they and we are rubbish ya wa so rubbish ya okay derebe your my brother total say, no laho. You can okay the a day. Laho. I know the verse for you. I love you as a brother. I give you the advice that you want. Laho total say. You continue. It's none of anybody's business. I don't want to even trip my mouth. Congratulations, Benue. I am so happy for you as well. So I am happy for you. But you know it, Enogi. You know what I am talking about. You know what I am talking about. No, I don't want that to take place. Why me no you say no? Why you yes say money? Do we say what him? I give me no he say no. Rodan wo go down ya ha ebungbe. Rodan wo go down ya ha ebugbe. Adota we bo ewu na memi e wagbonde. Can you do it? The answer is no. No go egwan bo gbe e wa o wa ovi okan kere no. No to rijo bo no we o ma mi no over there agba. The time he took to do those things. Don't take it for granted, for God's sake. Jerry, appreciate it. Yeah, Obugbe na. Oya mano reki. So abo me wa me da. So no wala ho. Ime imi. Enoge please, get several. If you want to come to live video, do or not that live video, not for all those things. Respect yourself. And wanike no wherever. No wabe mwene go na. Wa onu wa teme no wa miebe group no wa je wa mane khare yakwa na egberan wa. Wetin dey happen sef? First no na yi. No one no yet they have patience rokpa. Wa even wa miebe group no wa je wa mane khare yala jane ne di owo di do agie wa hewe. Let things be going and let things go for God's sake. What can I? Area group in the game out, area group in the mouth, all my cassie well a ho. Why be a man like with it be? Like with it is never a force. Why be a go when you live you go or marry please you change from it. Change. Why be say ya no sir. Let's take peace reign for God's sake. Why get peace raining? Wala ho. Rain or social media ne. They say on the Martin. Oh, what le nya log benya le me social media again. Anyhow, my word gbe na. Then me na do keep me sanity for 2 years. Dek be live. Me social media ha wana. Nyaga. Ere gbe wa sodo aibo wa. Odo lesu wa eru data lo. O wa ke mi no re, o wa ke su no we ni eje supermarket ni ere. Ogbe po lesu ayo wa. Chalo bugbe na. Amata no nia. Oni ya je supermarket ni re. O wa vie boss asi. Of your boss at of your trozeva of your VNTA. Or ye place quality and ya vehicle supermarket or one left foot. Or one left foot. We got here lanoge, always not reachable. It's not reachable. Yeah. Joyfulness. O measure vera for ye. And now on a problem wa me expect you. Oma agua o konfi measure vera for ye na. Do I measure vera ni? Oma atene ne me ma wa ya gbe ari yo we. I always give advice. I don't measure anybody's name. E no ge opa mesu ni e masu ni o ma we. Please kindly don't write vera this thing. I akin reboot ni vera ya de gbe ki expect you na wa. La ho. Why ga try no wa mo mari dimension no ma onojo. Wala ogogo. Because nezo na me na ati fo we expect you. Wala ho ime wa commenta sinibu ime wa wala ho nyanga go veragwa. I know how to find number. I will call her myself. I mo your live video okpekete no gesi la no major. That is the reason I pass it here. When me and mekete me na se merovie no gia. The answer is no. I am not here to insult Enogi. I am here to give a little advice to as a brother. Mama tata. Allow. Again, I'm getting very old. Yeah, Lajandori Budenu, I love you so much. That is why I can talk. I don't have the time. Time in the way I can't give it. I don't have time. Because why can Gazore for Usalobo argument can't give it for. I know I am not angry for you, my darling joyfulness. I am not angry for you. I am only telling you that I am not, it's not Vera I am talking to. If I want to talk to Vera, I know how to get her number. I will call her myself and talk the way I want it. I don't do it. Woman, I don't live video. Now the truth. Vera go live video instantly. That is me for you. So when we live video, we vera. Ina we wana no wabe ame busy. Wa me busy. Wala ho. Wa me busy. Ayebe ne gbe yato lowo yato lo. Wa ayebe ne gbe yato lowo yato lo ya dobolu wa later. No wa me na agbo ya fefefe no ma gbe na no mo ro pa ro. Wa be jogo dan wa be mi ogo dan bo. Whatever good be, whatever game, all the son of why way. Because I then I will have a day, no, the do, no, the dog go, no, the dog be no. That is the truth. Why you go down here? Why you go down with you go? Oh, I'm well, fine. But try control that your anger. Nedo get a CB. Try control that your anger because all do get a CB. Oh, Zeni, we are got there, Dove. You receive it where. That is the problem. That is the problem. That is the reason, my darling. They don't have manners. You are right. Because where don't to receive you with two hands will be difficult for them. On your power, my hand. Oh, how do I? They will be afraid. Now do you receive you? They will be afraid of you guys. Control it. Chon all over the place. What I love be? No more reserving no secrets. No more this one. Do you think can any or there were thinking where can go there? Can where go there? About Daniel was this anyway. All was the can work. That is the reason. Nana we back when I alone my lady. Mother anyone live a life making anana. Happiness is free. Ire Madrid now enjoy me. Happiness is free. Ime wa be see na happiness is free. Ni ado ya stress egbe me ye me inwina fama ko no respect you. Eba tata. Inwina fama ko no respect you. God forbid. God forbid. Imiewe o. Ema dedicate mene na ya we ni aditali. So ya ke Madrid so wana. I total here ekbe ya I travel to Italy. Van dedicate me. Ya we mama we want me you come visit me for Italy. So I need to travel. You understand? Oh wow, sir, long time. You understand? That is the real truth. I want a man when no magati. Ya wa he workere ekbe I travel to Italy. I want that time wa. Wa me travel the make now. I am free to be traveling all over the place now. No dull moments. No dull moment. Oh, why yakin? You understand? Oh, I know what salary. I need to no, I not did that one. Between God and me, I not did that one. Wala ho, ime imiwa. Akoka kono wadia. Wala ho, watalogbe. What's your Bobby Talo? Presenter nebu. Talo wabungu. It's not bagolo to wagi emenu wasota. No sense coming out of it. Why so way? Bagolo no na bugbe. Na ezo, aku ezo, I aku ezo, unie ezo. Open you past true, you never come out only to complain. My darling, Agina complain tereva better or my what? Or my what? Who I want to explain for? If I can't explain, I do argue later. I know they for all those things. I work better. Etemeteri yolo yonu yolo yobo but agbera akugo rudan we ni kumi na re ni ebede na ho aye degbe ayawe si gege that is what really matter for every friendship you are because udeni ugakuye ni wa degbe onu adio deni. There are some certain people that will say no, those stood ground where omana mama gwalo a group in a like group in our war. It is said that you do it their way or they back out. That is the truth. Because it's all wabungwe. Why not reserve it? Cho. Emma. Andy was setting what here bugu. Among when I know why social media na why go? Among when I know why. Why my balance 11 no. No understand. Why balance on ropa? Why ye boku wagu na? What are you guys dragging for God's sake? Ah. See? See? Hello? Not the truth. Not the truth. Oh, what go you na? Every minute of the day, why drag me rokpa? Why what a lot, why what ye bo, why man eat ye boy, and room tag no phone. What is it? No wait, you why here, why me bog me and why ye bog way you guys don't longer have respect. At the end of the day, the bay I jagwe, la wo ja bombe, forgive me. Emi apology ni me over there, the gbedo ye stupidity, the apology ni word can never. I can never. It's always say our apology. I be wa myself expect you. If that guy just expect you, that gbedo do nonsense. I know the one. I can kind of omorokpa. I can coin there come out even the boot and wherever no yagwala or even avasi wherever ni ya like it. Okay, me take the large message to Monica, message to this one, message to this one, message to this one. I don't have that time. Between God and man, I don't have that time. I cannot do any stupidity. Stupidity for nonsense. Oh, I don't have the time. Imagine me what time over. I can give you the advice. No, the advice that will go with insults. No, you can't do any no more. I'm a veteran now. Everybody was thinking, I take a lot of one, I take a lot of one. No. If you put any lolo, marovi lolo. That you might do understand. I mean, you try and one kind of it. When you want very good, and so maybe they see about no guessing where a no go, no, I know they do. Organic berani, or berani. Now, why je again? A wisdom. I don't have time because many of you lack respect. Many of you lack manners. Many of you don't even have the wisdom. You only go to live video. You don't know how to address issue. You don't know how to place a word. Wa me video ni uno de. Emi ne comment asi we me o ibiriga ne we me gige comment you we na. Egbe wo me. Ijo bi aga atama mama. This your hair, they know your lacan. Mama, this your hair. Why you carry this kind of makeup? This your hair, so you get mad. You still carry this makeup. Why near women, you know? Me, I do a tally women. No, I don't have time. Yeah, I was talking. Maybe I you gear Lillian. Yeah, get mama say, yeah, whatever. Okay, get him. I got me the comment. So in a way, or he me, I want jump papers. Occasion with Jenna. Yeah, I do you jogging. I do you disturb me for Gavin Gil. And now I jump the comment pass. Imagine comment ina iwa gbugbe meme be ni agita lo se ogun ba wa fire maybe comment section ogun ba we my mama kun your necklace you know place on where place your necklace where na mama kun you know even make up the makeup mama kun you know even I mean your pani amata ma ya se gbogun ba no se me oh ko me awi do arovian be gorovian mini alaki no ya gbene yo ne ni mati be oni watch e be jump and pass ni ave reply be pin love virginia o lucky oni ave gear yi be pin o gear yo eri ya lele yakin how do ta lo kwa ona iwa calling o ma say the next o wa ke peti go wa roviye we nu o kian we ari agbon e bari ave what did happen agbe wa no abi huru wa no o kwa me ka me gbezo a la video si jo na yari on ti on bo kan everybody wa o we ni mi ebejes yin ri nyan won tagbon na yari nyan bo yen wa me di mundo now na come get the whole world Hurry my darling people no ka do yin ya ke keladian off work but today I no make up I no make up my face yet balam painting na mother area you ma make up no say ma make up so yet balam every day you no make up well you no do this one well you no do this one well make up what you do no good this one see your hair what be this one I me padi ya tamam e ma go one day Imagui. I come about my cometa sigele wa rovie. May I get oviese? May I get oviese? I want my cometa si. I want to me a dear live video me. They want to know what Queen want to is capable of doing. I don't have time. Yes, a bar of your camera, you but so medo and neck be motabia. And you tell me time I'm no then. Or when mama you the child, is you will have a yelling way where my mimi. Eh, Devin Garoviaba. Yeah, it's a being for Nayavik by being a dog a committee dog baby making it to tie. Oh, yeah, it's a being again here. Maybe not tell them again. I'll stress you, me at in a yama dog billy la way. Oh, me mountain me, I know, you may say that Rame, you saw no boom so. You walk again, I walk in your maid down. You win it, so I may wear me, then we're not young, safe. I win anything. My God, or your age of my 30 years old person not a fresh. Although you know a grandfather going. Eh, man, a grandmother always so we can be. What matter gay? Why walking on man? Why, Emmy at the oggy below la where I go bow. Allaho, one need a fresh air, big boy. One need the rest of mind. Why the rest of mind? That is the problem I have with many of you there. Why the rest of mind? You need to give yourself a time. Free yourself for God's sake. Make yourself available for your happiness. Hey? Nyaga all over the place. Wawaki enye alok benye gale. Okay. Any me wajena. He say, Rita success. Your maths too much, sister. Queen, you funny. Funny you. Not the truth, oh my darling. Not the truth. If you say their face, present, I be even call the pity many of them. I don't want to mention their name. And truly, they know what in the toss and I will not be like. Well, go say you were let another bullet. What can I? What munya huni? I bring a soda while I win a reno. Winner, baby, I've retire. I retire in winner and wag hair wevo. As ever when you palm off favor, you rest from the something. Walking out quick view, see you. What bev you are? What bev you are? What's on I? Huh? What coconut pavena lagona? What coconut pavena walking mammas over Mamaki Fero, never lie. What was so walking mammas over Mamaki Fero, your social media? What me near? Why, now, why would distress you? Distress you with Bua. Why ya come, Mamma, and Rasa didn't be why would you happy out of distress? But distress you are here, Quam Bua. Why distress is a presenter? Distress in no water, no one. Why a stress is a bagmoon warena? Unero line with presenter. Unero line, why so we buy distress or doing with Buana? I'll walk by cannot be a kiss. Hija. Wala ho. Agumedo guan. Why agumedo guan? Many a codo attack 2020 na. Wala ho. A distressy. Why number one a distressy worry? Why number one why so? Or number one a distressy worry? A distressy here kwabe buwana or to a kwabe no gebube. Hiya. Why one ladon why ti waju kompane awe hey MLS your kusebude. A distress of kwabe buwa. To why I like bossy why be spending labor no for 1 week. No recover a buwa would it be. Wala ho. A distress is bokwa buwana. Why you was so was so severe? Why when I go wagone? Eh? No paladin, no paladin, who say Agbianwa. A sofa Agbesowa who were presenter. What do I joke money call why frustration why ya no bakoka ko wadwaja yivere ya no to tag me. Eyan see no waje na wala ho ime mi wa. What be the cause na predicament? Wala ho wa bring it so down. Cause wa so ukmo wa ya go e. Amemi ni ye go o saloba we social media. Madoge ni ye go o ka bagbe. Oh Amemi ni ye go o. Wa madoge ni ye go o ka bagbe. Oh Amemi ni ye go o. Bi social media me. Wa ma toge mi ni yegwe o kabagbe. Oh, ma zege. Iso bread breske. Iso bread breske. Follow boy me zan. Man, go learn. I have a long way to go. A distressy, number one of a boa. Hypertension, number one, number only distress, number one, no woman. Hypertension, number two. A winner, number three. A bovo, number four. Emi ya bowa ye kuwa so na. Emi ya bowa ye kuwa so. Ame dole bowa ji wa o try no wa dole go man. O wara ya no wa muri ya here biere hi no wa kokako. Wa ma ye hegwe be nwine saga no rena. Wa ma hegwe bo. Wa ya wa kan me ke ni pe akeni ho hu yan gi ko waji. Bo kokko no ri nyenye wo. Here. O wa ne presenter so gi ko waji na. Waje no kokko no ri nyenye wo. Nyenye wo alogo kokko e ba no na do aje he go boreba. Habo me gwa mi. Ai. Ona kinai. What it says, what's soon that way? Eh? Why be so you beg? Why want vitamin? Why are the booming? No, why are you? Are you agbo? Allah, let's walk by Waki live video. I walk there. I mean, Waki live video. Walking in. Back I. Because the voice is loud. You understand? So why go there? Why believe I no do nothing. Do why so my query jogo why ya fear last sene. A message you so yo why ya fear last sene. Why am I get no fear coin? Over coin. Iya try ni mi yo ni forgive wa baku ya no wa we go we. Why ye try no wa degbe wo be nyae. E mana. Wasi obovesu, obugbe gitian o. Presenters o wasi obowo, ime himia. Ezo yare, ime himia wasi obovesu. Emi damvu wa hiegbe. Mona live trouble na, me trouble live una for waste. Mona live jealousy, me jealousy live una for waste. A destiny o ma be, etian ogwe. Get that into your skull. Someone's destiny can never be your destiny. Walaho, a destiny woman that is one thing you need to know. A style dandoga is different. Even on a yazogwe. A style dandoga is different. You want to be like this person. How can you be like that person when you are not destined to be like that person? You want to be like this social person. How can you when you are not working harder? Making noise all over the social media. Is it how they used to make money? You're not working harder. You are still making noise. That what destiny no we're giving Anna. Off work be Rosemary Obaze. Let's see. Lady of song. That one is my bestie sister. My bestie sister. So, no via do ne wakiri. Anything no marry ya wakuna. Wa wesi. Ema tama we no magati. Ato, they don't know. He can't talk my wa. Even no basunu na igata ma wegi gogoyo. I am a big liar. Usalo boa degini. No we no we condemn na error. Ona alajan nyaga no palajan yogo no palajan ho no palajan wa. He's alo boa me. Here take bowa is similar. Most of the presenters bowa is similar. Man ira sadi. It's similar ni agbowe yi. Iya agwa lebe ni ya zo because it's similar ni agbowe yi we go obugbe. Can you imagine me jeve jikuna no de? Aye be ate me presenters in mame. I reported so mame we. Yo bugbe. Aye me gi try ni mega adia no de. Owe mama ko wutoge. Owe de gbegoni ana ina we Again, Berane. You have a few worry any. And I swear name and no we am a go we mammy. Away because of that. I was so pity then. Give me a win, although a so calling him a don't neja bone all those things, but a mini you worry on here. In any let go, near forgive. Again, Berane. Which is a guy of a centroni or whatever. I have to plead on their behalf. Near highway. Berane. No walao. Good name is better than riches a presenter so. Wasi obove mesu. Walaho. Emani where go where they don't gain anything. A pensi yamewo. O balo yamewo. A wala here and there. One no temptation here and there. That did not gain it. When over that dinner we are having one young. Back we go ware the agbe be. Any majina, any kata, it's stressy, it's stress, I don't have it. It's time I enjoy, me woman. You may make a yari cow leg for a pomofo, a rishaki body for ya do me again, ya tali quem. I do amu winner and young west 11. Ya wale student beoko, illo womo henik beoko, no save me a year. Illo womo henik beoko, woman goosey beoko. Oh. Oga fio wa we adege gusini ebe ai ga kon we na yi me gari yo ya je maya muno o maka ya muno ega ni mi ado ya me 20 ni ado ya tali ku emelele ha we di ido a rovie no hin rovie no de gai bene imi na iteme ya wa mi na Africa ya wa zeduna e ma de ni de stress no mo ro pa because yan ma gie me webo. So, yan game webo na maweti avedo ayokpa ni keji yagbe o minimak mieve Nigeria ido alu ewe webo. Because anything iwa owe webo na I face my mo iwine gbe mewa no. Mo giegbe mo huni. Take it or leave it. Ya ma game hu. They don't send me. Send my money. E ma tatamuwa. They did not send me anything. Because ya ma game hu. Yeah, I tell them, I get Sandy who feel like I get billions that did not send my money. A matter time more. A matter me talk over me take. He must send me one day. If you have no, they did not send me. Mogi gbe won ni jina. If you imagine aso magide. So anything you will face it we bona. I ma wa come out. I never involve my family one day. It might involve you. I might be 218 one day. That is that. Okay, good to hear that, my love. You understand? That is that. I'm not a man on my team. Wala ho. Obugbe. Wajire no wajena. Eso we wala tornado. E retires. E ma oni sunu yenuwa. Eso we wala tornado. No wa are we bozuza kwa vedi. Wa are we bo ho. Why gbe phone never webo owo eso wo no wa hia why maybe abeg yan no de uwe koni wala ho iya wa ho sepi yan ma ho wari wa imega abeg yan salobo adege me matoge boda wala ho oni be gbira ne pemie me nitan wala ho oni be gbira ne yan ugbe presenter siri ya me ni bugbe ime ga yin mi yan amata no many are angry with you guys. But many better not pay, but ye voulait la dianode. Et many ye voulait many la dianode. Me a why the presenter him. Yeah, mama we correct bena, we correct bena. Ematano, in a benny na why Nigeria no why yakin. Oh, wano. So, ima only who you talk. Nado ya trouble, baby, there or yario wow, no mesoto. I don't need those things. I don't need it. Ya worry Nigeria happiness in yakin be yadi. Emata tamowa. Okwegbe nwena fama kona or whatever. Oma gi wa no waje wa mo gbo wa you way. Anything wa be me, wa be abi. Hey, Madrid people, God bless you, my people. Pemi Osula, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my adorable, nicely woman, you make my day so joyful. May God Almighty continue to protect and bless you for me. Oh, Amen. That is Pemi Osula, one of the whole universe. Iriano na mema wese no we domani agi wese na ya mema wese no we domani agi u na ya u ni shumeka. Onia, you deserve it, my darling. Ire malaga but at least opportunity ni ave ya rescue we ebe ni ya we say ya we. So no. You're all for work, baby. You don't know what precious all for work, baby. Now the truth, matter. No. So ni mayala ho, ni manyisi. Anytime we kaga ni ade, anytime we ya dio Spain ni go, but the whole Spain I say oh, you must have me, you know ya tell me ni talo. Anywhere you dey say you no get person for Spain. Call me, the mommy queen or sawe nigga zo wigi. Now once. Me ayak bego money, hey, pick this person up. It must have me, you know, yet all over the Spain one. Any dimension worry, you know. Call me once. Oh money, it must have me, you know, yet it all. They will rescue you and take care of you, wala. Even though I am not there. Me wanihi, ask mommy, ask God picking. Say, it may what they Spain na hasa. I don't know about others country. A Spain I buy it, I pay cash. Hey, it's there hasa. So if you are coming to this land, feel free to inbox Royal Queen, and I will be glad to receive you. Voila. Even though I am not in that city, I have everyone all over the whole Spain. All over the whole Spain. Ekeke no one who dey no. Pemi Osula, someone is greeting you here. Florence Fairway. So somebody is greeting you. So no we to never agree. When many manager my way fake life a back be ukbeni. We don't talk, but we do action speak louder than words. My taleme. Agbira ba no pe. I don't tell her. Nasa be big man. Nasa be big woman. No, I do it now. I do it. Here no. But working at the gualo sawe megazo wegi ade. Odo we hey. Even I no heke eti we. Esunu na. Esunu. Eriano. My way fake life. Veni magberi magbe. My ro my gwa fianyagbe. Maniki. So even in my him my way making Nadi I na zo bozo we don't know agree. So mahiarima. Yes. Pemi Osula is back to base. Me yero Madrid in Igogbe. Pemi Osula has already left to city of Malaga. Thank God for Johnny Messi. But now I am still in Madrid enjoying myself. Me make my lady or song bani. Me yero Madrid in Igogbe. I see they enjoy myself. Voila. I dey here they enjoy myself. Allah me make a flex. Enjoyment I know. So I want to enjoy myself in the city of Madrid before I go back to my base. Okay. Enjoyment is very free. So you know we are doing what like I was communicating. So everyone there, let us use our wisdom. Ma gbera bukbo na ne aye na se odin we ya so my gbe emi ya ni wa una odin we ya so my gbe arere ya kin o ma e o dejo do ve ko ma be go ego ogu opa e ma na o ega ni ni ai ma ni wunu gbo yan ko do ma so wa ni repeti we e ma o deji ya rere ve ko ma ado stress yi ado silly emi ati odo ye no osun ba se ti emi na na yi we se ju gbo be gwe ba ti emi na na avulo ni eyi pepe wo no no ba ni oje o take agio ba be no agio ba ti emi ni agio de ke no na agio emi ni no tan ni no rugbo
I'll give man of you no
mi na ba na ye no osun o me ni oba ni me kana ekene ke no ba ye ana mi ugugbo
awa santo
Atemi ran pakpera na enemi atemi wo kan san o to kan na go we jugbo ma mi ni go kan awo me ni na tie emi ni o wa ba o take na ya wa bi o ni agi o but ni metra na o tan asiti so no madege mi ni we no ya ba eri stress no regbe presenter yi eri stress no regbe presenter yi no reason there o wa mu yan kian take it or leave it wa o mo presenter kian there wa a presenter no river wa gbe o wa na fancy you deserve the accolade and I will most surely they give you that accolade wa no mu yan kian wa no nia iya ga sore wa re jo bolade iya ga wono na wa we jo bolade iya wono na wa we jo bolade now they carry them, they waka. Forget. Why tini alo? After my way no magati. Forget them. It is well, my darling. Wallaho. It is well. Wa save so. Any kata say ya fi video na begene kan gbegbe. No wa me na me tawa ho. Wa mana save so. Wa na do carry yakwani. Wa gi me tawa ho. So o see any na tawe reserve money from your mouth. Keep some inside your belly. No me na me tobacco. Rame we here. You ready? Understand? Save so no me eve taba we dove. Ogu we wa kare yakwa. Amena akpo hu we ni meje no. Ologbo ga wa homo megi munu. Except okay me call they were forgive all now. Emi anati forgive all. Emi me logo gbe. Iku me no sawe me gazo wege. It's very easy to make friendship. Betty ga hewe ni. Ologbo ga homo. Except God is on his fully mercy. Or to intervene. Emi anati eme do work a second chance. Emi me logo gbe. Hije me. Osi etene de. Wa me na gani na go tell pa ba so pa be gani o me o tell me na no we gege do mu we ade live video wa we yen wa offend kun ni kabo yen wa offend kun ni kabo wo get o tell me na what am I go me vision ani it's very straightforward somebody and I mean a rat of ogbuna you at all time. Who can do time me we na na ge a rat me wagbuna you. Now they see me na Madrid cup I say they drink water because I be confirm Madrid. Hasta la muerte. See there on our Ororo is side we no ga. Madrid in Oga. Now we they run now. Hey, Jennifer Collins in the building. No walaho. Ni Marisa Veso. Ni mami tabako. Obugbe presenter. Walaho me wa. A secret ya wa mo una no get any secret. You na say na. I nobody to confined. Maybe I say boni confined or be what a logbe what a bogbe mata man no mati wa so ta logbe what a logbe I me wana I trust you wo warokpa where na give no o my even do fear very secret latin or all those things tell bogbe na bogbe any mejan why go I be una friend but we are not friend in any other thing even me I cannot bring it to your social network ni dota tu me wa logo me wa ka be no je me do am me were do vandalize yeti ye me we gboki oge ni me do aninyu we bi yeke I better not because me ati do table da owe that is me I say no wa wo me ma wo se no hin take it or leave it o se no wa wo wa mana wa go baba na the next thing na to complete recording me no wakata lo magbe. The next thing, a secret in Omani, Wamana view, you will never know peace. Most of you will never know peace. And when you not play the recording, you feel yes, You are right in everything. Of course, if I were not back cool. If I were not back cool. I'm not going to marketing. If I were not back cool. Where my right ye because emi o by there be mu me bi bu where dey ama wetu we am secret of e where ti vandalize ya be na oge ni ma wo there gbe do ade adegbe do afa mu secret that don't tell ko em. I don't, my darling. I don't. Naria se ne noria se naria be ne noria be eriel ma gbon kai say ya no sir oge secret in wadwa every minute of the day. You make people all over the place start doing recording something. Why it your man without wama record or money? What soon na yi? Why it ye we onama u tie o magi record we ladia? Ero. Ema ya ni be total ye karatu gwa yan be poses. Any total young recording. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? No give me time no ya we me agbagiro time recording. Oh wa ni bugi me. Akware you feel you want to hurt that person. No, you are not hurting that person. You are hurting yourself by bringing a secret out and to the whole world to see. You are hurting yourself. You are the one who is fooling yourself. People can laugh at that person 1 month. After 1 month, he will heal from that pains. At the end of the day, you will not finally go still say, I am sorry. I am sorry. May I tell you where was say, my darling, take it or leave it. You can never be my friend. Sorry, if I couldn't give me the third one. That is me for you. Ekuni or cow. I can say okay, let it be. Ukpogeva, udagbe wobe. No pogeva, may I accept to when you are winning gazo with it. I don't know about others people. Making friend with a presenter is for me to go to a Kiosa market and to go and make that friendship. You go make what as a Boba market or a Kiomusan. Ya wa se ba wa choose mi jo mama ze. Ye kori eni azige wuwe. Ya etin agu egun from a webo to tornado. Ogo presenter to presenter hero wa. Imi owe. Igwa na aja polugo be peti uge. O mati usa we mega zo we gene wo ya gba han mo we ra meri na. Odo ki ki obo mami won abi. Queen no dey has all those things now. I am too pockish to be let down for foolishness. I'm not a time over. Anything in me what time a live video me na do. A live video ogo mani iwa call igun ayu we. Ogo ni me do adweke secret with you when a presenter kuni ro kwa na. Kuni ro wa talk to God. Bi atama we. Demini atama we. I call you awa temugi. Forget people issue, I don't want to hear it. Or it was Mona Maria where he or whatever. I don't need it. We are more